Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about some garden stuff, but I'm not going to be out in the garden. I'm going to talk about my neighbor and I were excited about the fact that they were growing larger. We even discussed the fact that we were going to leave some of them on the vine to let them turn red, which y'all know is not my desired plan. They can turn red just here in the house just as well as they can out on the vine. In fact, I'd like to take them from being out on the vine after I see that they have grown to their potential and bring them in the house, because that lessens the likelihood of a worm getting inside of them, which, mama, since I've been talking to you, worms have been invading my tomatoes. We have never had any problems with worms until my mother was telling me that they were having issues with worms, and they have been having issues with humongous worms. And these are probably big too, but we just have not been able to catch them. This, however, is from too much water. And it's not me watering the garden. It is the massive amount of rain that we have experienced here in Georgia. This one was looking great one day, and then the next day I went out to check on it, and boom, here you go. I'm going to cut it to see if I can actually still use it. So, and there we go. It will be used. I will be using it to fry some tomatoes today. This one was going on the same path of rotting right there, and I am going to use this as well to fry tomatoes, fried green tomatoes. I went ahead and took the liberty of pulling the other tomatoes off because like I said before, I don't want any worms to get on them. They have already grown to their full potential. And this one looks like something was trying to invade it. In fact, that looks like a wormhole. So let's cut it and see. Yup. I'm not even going to use that. I am going to toss it. Hold on now. Maybe I won't toss it, because I cut the worm out and everything looks good. So that might be in the batch of fried green tomatoes as well. So don't be alarmed if you are here in Georgia and you see that the top of your tomato is looking like this. Either you are over-watering it if you get rot bottom, because you've seen that before as well. And if this top is rotting out as well. We couldn't help it because that was out of our control. It is the control of the Lord. I have all of my tomatoes cut up in a nice thick slice. I'm not going to get started cooking these fried green tomatoes until my husband gets home, because I want them to be hot. Okay, until we get to frying. Or until I reveal, because I've already fried tomatoes on here, and I might actually link that video in here. So come on, let's get into it. Y'all know I'm choosing joy. So thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tell others about this channel. Why? Because we're not only choosing joy, we're spreading joy as well.